The health benefits of pine needle tea and a recipe to make this at home. 1. Pine needle tea is an ancient remedy which has been used by survivalists and those who live near forests for hundreds of years. This is a natural healer and is used to boost the immune system. 2. The pine needles are harvested from edible pine trees and added to hot water to make a herbal medicine. 1 cup of pine tea contains 5 times more vitamin C than a lemon. Vitamin C boosts the immune system and promotes fast healing. 3. This drink also improves the health of the skin, hair and eyes due to the concentration of vitamin A it contains. This also aids the body in producing red blood cells. 4. It is important to identify an edible variety of pine if you are making this in the wild. White pines are the best to use, which have long green needles that grow in clusters of 5. 5. To make this, simply take a handful of pine needles and tear into small pieces. Add these to a cup of boiling water and steep for 5 minutes. Drink this tea to boost your health or trigger fast healing. 6. Pine needle tea has long been used to relieve pain in the body as it works as a natural painkiller. 7. Drinking this works to treat or prevent a cold. It works especially well for treating a cough as it relieves chest congestion and sore throats. 8. In Switzerland, this tea is used to treat bronchitis. It has the ability to open the airways, making it easier to breathe. 9. It is advised that pregnant women do not drink this, as it is very powerful and may cause early labor. 10. The natural antioxidants within the needles help to lower high blood pressure, reduce allergies, and promote weight loss. 11. The tea also has a calming effect on the nervous system and can improve neurotransmission in the brain. This helps to treat anxiety and depression. 12. You can also soak bandages or gauze in pine needle tea and apply this to wounds, cuts, and bruises. This is antiseptic and prevents infections of the skin. 13. Centuries ago, mattresses were filled with pine needles to relieve rheumatoid arthritis and joint pain. 14. Drinking pine tea once or twice a week strengthens the body and makes it more resistant to infections in the future. 15. To learn about pine essential oil, please see our other video shown at the end. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.